Y'all learned how to tell time to the exact minute. So I've got my classroom clock here and my hands are geared so that as I move my blue minute hand, I can see my hour hand moving. So we're gonna start here at 6 o'clock. Now, if you'll remember back, and my hands are labeled here. The hour hand is the little red short hand. The minute hand is the longer blue hand. One quick way to remember, hour is a shorter word than minute. So hour hand is the shorter hand. So right now it's 6 o'clock. Now we want to remember that the hour hand tells us the hour, minute hand tells us the minute. And as we're counting minutes, we count by ones in between the numbers. And if we jump from number to number, remember we're counting by fives. Now, of course, my clock is labeled to see all of that. So I want you to watch what happens as I move my minute hand. Watch my hour hand, see what it does. So of course it's moving because like I said, it's geared, just like a clock or a watch at your house. But look what happens as I move further through the hour. So right now it's 6:30. Still the 6 o'clock hour. We're halfway through it. But watch what happens now. It's still the 6 o'clock hour. But where does that hour hand look like it's going? It almost looks like it's pointing at the 7, but it's not been 7 o'clock yet. We're still in the 6 o'clock hour. It will not be 7 o'clock until we get back to the 12. Now it's 7 o'clock. So even if I'm right here, it is not 7:55. It is 6:55 because we have not gotten all the way back to the 12 to be 7 o'clock yet. When I get y'all in third grade, usually y'all are very good at telling me any times in the first 30 minutes of the hour. But as we get closer to that next hour, a lot of times we get confused on what time this really is. Just remember, it can't be 7 o'clock until this blue minute hand gets all the way up to the 12. So right here, it's actually 6:45. So let's try one more. Let me mix it up a little bit here. Okay, so again, my hour hand is my short hand. Now it looks like it's pointing at the 10, but it has not been 10 o'clock until we get here. So right now, let's say I'm right there. I'm still in the 9 o'clock hour because I've passed the 9 with the hour hand, but I've not gotten to 10 o'clock yet. And it's 9:45. Now let's pretend like we didn't have the numbers on here to count with. So let's count. We don't get to say 5 right here because we haven't moved anywhere yet. It's not been 5 minutes until we've gotten all the way to the 1. So we're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So again, it would be 9:45. So there's a quick review. Let's do one where it lands maybe in here. Okay. So we can see that our hour is 10. And if we move this back to here and we'll count. So we're going to count by fives as we jump numbers. 5, 10, 15. But remember, I was actually right here. So now I'm going to have to switch to counting to ones. 16, 17, 18. So this would be 10, 18. So again, this is just a review from what you should have learned and gotten really good at in second grade. Later in the week, I'm going to be assigning a video or a assignment in MobyMax that I'm going to want y'all to do to show me that you can tell time to the minute. Because in a few days, we're going to jump to elapsed time, which is a whole different ballgame. So make sure you're good at this, practice a little bit at home, and stop asking your parents what time it is. Turn around and look at a clock, preferably not a digital one. We've got to learn how to tell time. See y'all.